India is a land of diversity, rich culture, ancient wisdom, and enormous potential. With more than 1 billion people, our country has the strength to become one of the most developed and respected nations in the world. However, building a strong and progressive India is not the responsibility of the government alone. Nation building is a collective responsibility in which every citizen, especially the younger generation, has an important role to play. Nation building means more than constructing roads, bridges, schools, and industries. It means creating a country where every citizen has equal opportunities to learn, grow, and live with dignity. A strong nation needs educated, responsible, honest, and compassionate citizens. Therefore, education must be at the heart of nation building. Every child should receive quality education and develop not only academic knowledge, but also values such as discipline, honesty, respect, and empathy. The youth of India are one of our greatest strengths. Today's students are tomorrow's doctors, engineers, teachers, scientists, entrepreneurs, soldiers, artists, and leaders. They have the power to shape the future of the country. Students, therefore, should develop curiosity, critical thinking, creativity, and problem-solving skills. They should dream not only about personal success, but also about how their knowledge and talents can contribute to society. Social responsibility is another important pillar of nation building. A responsible citizen follows laws, respects others, protects public property, and helps those in need. Small actions can create a big difference. Keeping our surroundings clean, saving water and electricity, planting trees, avoiding unnecessary plastic, respecting public spaces, and helping disadvantaged people are simple but meaningful contributions to our nation. India's progress also depends on science, technology, and innovation. Artificial intelligence, space research, renewable energy, biotechnology, and digital technology are transforming the world. Indian students should be encouraged to become creators and innovators rather than merely consumers of technology. At the same time, technology must be used responsibly. We should protect ourselves from misinformation, cybercrime, and excessive dependence on social media. A progressive India must also be environmentally responsible. Economic development should not come at the cost of nature. Climate change, pollution, water scarcity, and loss of biodiversity are challenges that require immediate attention. Our vision for India should therefore include clean cities, green villages, renewable energy, sustainable agriculture, and responsible use of natural resources. Unity is another foundation of a strong India. Our country is home to many languages, religions, cultures, and traditions. This diversity is our strength, not our weakness. We must learn to respect differences and reject discrimination. When we stand together as Indians, our diversity becomes our greatest power. My vision for India is a nation that is educated, innovative, clean, sustainable, inclusive, and economically strong. I dream of an India where every child gets an opportunity, every citizen performs his or her duties honestly, and development reaches every village and city. Finally, nation building does not begin tomorrow. It begins today, with us. As students, we may not yet have the power to make major policies, but we can study sincerely, develop good character, respect our country, and serve society in small ways. If millions of young Indians take these responsibilities seriously, we can build an India that is not only stronger and more prosperous, but also compassionate, responsible, and united. The India of tomorrow is being shaped by the choices we make today. Let us dream big,
act responsibly, and work together to build a stronger, progressive, and truly great India.